Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, let's start with a pneumatic. We're gonna running a pneumatic system. First of all, we're gonna running a pneumatic system by controlling a manual. A manual, it's like that. Manual without automation. We use a mechanical power of human being. Let's start as I told you. First of all, we're going to describe some component that is a cylinder which make mechanical functions, mechanical worker which we extend and perform the work. So that is a electron control valve which control flow of fluid by using this level. Yeah, this is a pressure gauge which indicates the pressures passing through this pipeline or in the system. So let's start with a supply of a DCB from this manifold. Yeah, that is a manifold. Yeah, that is the electron control valve. That is a cylinder. That is a flow control valve. If you want to increase the speed, you can adjust like that. Like that, increase the flow rate or reduce the flow rate. When you increase the flow rate, the speed will also increase. When you reduce the flow rate, the speed will also reduce. Yeah, let's start with a supply, a directional control valve. Yeah, we supply here to inlet, and then we exit from a directional control valve to A, passing through a flow control valve. Yeah, and then we exist from the control valve to a cylinder, which will also make a mechanical performance. We're gonna that is exist of the air in the cylinder, which passing through the flow rate, and then exist from the flow rate to the direction control valve. Yeah, that is our pneumatic circuit, manual pneumatic circuit. Yeah, first of all, we've opened the valve. This van, yeah, we just like that. Yeah, then we're gonna automate our circuit, our pneumatic circuit. That is a piston load, which will also make a punching something. Yeah, so let's automate our circuit. Let's start by shifting level. When you shift like that, our piston shift like that, our piston load will also extending. So when we adjust our flow control valve, we also reduce the flow rate of the fluid of the air. When we reduce our flow of the air, the speed will also reduce it. Let's start. You see, the speed of retraction is also reduced by flow rate. Let's reduce here. Yeah, I increase, you see, the speed is also increased. Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, make sure you are subscribing to Kigali-Engineers-College. Yeah, for more information, subscribe.